Okay, today we're going to talk about sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, we can get the value of sine, cosine, and tangent in a right triangle, and this is called the hypotenuse, and this is called the adjacent, and this is called the opposite. Yeah, so let's just say this H, A, and O. So the sine value would be H over O. Cosine would be H over A, and tangent would be A over O. If you're asking about this value, but if you're asking about this value, that angle, then it would be H over A. They will not call adjacent, so but I'll just do it. Oh. A. You get the difference? So let's just have an example down here. Let's say this is 5, 4, 3. This works because 5 squared 25 equals 14. 4 squared 16, 3 squared 9, 25. This is a right triangle. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let's get the sine x value. It'll be hypotenuse, and then what is it? It'll be the opposite. Cosine x will be 3 over 5. Tangent x it'll be 4 over 3. And if it is here, it'll be 3 over 5. 4 over 5. 3 over 4. So these are the basic term and what cosine, sine, and tangent is. Yeah, this is the basic. You need to know about tangent, cosine, and sine. Yeah, and if you have any questions, comment below or email me through my email address. And if you liked it, subscribe my channel, and see you next time.